Hey guys, what's going on? This is Slithers from Design Imagination, and today I'm going to be giving you a tutorial on Cinema 4D and Photoshop on how to create simple text but without a background, so you don't have to use the Magic Wand tool. Very simple but very effective. So what you're first going to do is, if you have the full Cinema 4D, you're going to go on MoGraph, Text Object, and for me I'm just going to put Tutorial. There we go. And also, this is also going to be a little text tutorial for you as well, for anyone who's new to Cinema 4D. So if you go on font just below that, I'll use Baboom, just a tutorial looking text. Then if you change your depth to about, I'd say about 160, it gives you a really nice 3D look there. And if you render that out, as you can see, it's quite nice. You want to go on render settings after that, and just to be sure, always have it on 1:80 720. Mine is always on this. Sometimes I do have to change it, but make sure it's always on that because that is important. It gives you your full preview window. So yeah, as you can see, that says tutorial and nice baboon text. Then if you go file shader and you go to new key, this is like a little glossy text that you can just play around with. Obviously it comes in standard blue when you preview it out, high random. And then basically when you double click, sorry I forgot to mention this, when you double click on it, you get all these options. Now when I usually make my text, I usually add this white line down the middle, and as you'll see, what it does is you can play around with it, but it just adds a white to the left, and then it shades like a shiny blue and everything. It is quite nice. It does make nice text when you play around with it properly, and you do proper text obviously. But anyway, if we go on diffuse A and we change it to like an orangey, a brick orange, that kind of colour looks quite nice, and we render that out, and it doesn't look brick orange, but obviously if I do a proper text tutorial and anyone wants one, I'll go through it in proper detail. If you go back on your render settings and you go on save, make sure you've got alpha channel alpha channel ticked, and you format on PNG and just name it. I've called mine tutorial text, and make sure it's always saved to desktop. Well, I just find desktop easier, it's easier to find things. So then if you render it out, sorry, I was doing one before. There you go. So you've got tutorial text. Then you go save as. Okay. Just click desktop again, or wherever you're saving it to. Replace it. Yes. Yeah. Again, sorry, I was playing around with some text before, so I'll just get rid of that. Should have really been prepared. My bad, guys. There we go. So that's gone. And now what I'm going to be looking for is this tutorial text. As you can even see in the preview, it has no background, but when you drag it in, no background at all. That is see-through. Another little tip you guys might want is, if you click the eraser button and click it on the text letter, it's locked, so you can't do anything with it. But if you click OK, you can do anything. If you press Ctrl U, for example, you can change the colour of your text without being in Cinema 4D. Obviously the text text colour, sorry, isn't like as good maybe as, well, I'd say actually that's a lie. I'd say it is about as good as you can get it in Cinema 4D. And also increasing saturation makes it brighter, or you can lighten it. So yeah, I hope this text tutorial, well, text/Cinema 4D tutorial has been useful to you, and hopefully I'll see some of you guys commenting on wanted tutorials soon. Alright, thanks guys, and I'll see you later. Bye.